Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. So in today's video we are back with another hair video, and this time it's featuring this gorgeous bob wig from RPGHair. And I've heard so many good things about their hair, but I've actually never tried it myself, and wow guys, I am so impressed. So they sent me over their 12-inch bob wig, and I cut and customized it into this. So I think I cut it down to about a 10-inch, as you can see from here. I also bleached the lace and I plucked the frontal, but I didn't really pluck it all that too much because the wig already came pre-plucked. But guys, as you can see, this wig is so amazing. The hair is so lustrous and it comes really black as well, which you guys know I love in a wig. This hair was super easy to work with. I really did not need to do a lot of customization to this hair. Even when I straightened it, it straightened so beautifully. It really did not take a lot of heat. And yeah, I'm just super impressed by this hair. I know this is a wig I'm going to have for years to come. And yeah, just super in love with this bob look. What do you guys think? Anyways, enjoy the rest of this installation video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Also, do not forget to check out all the links in the description box.